Today I'm shooting with a GH6 and G9 with my favorite lens for travel, the most versatile Leica 12 to 60mm lens. So I decided to do a black and white only photo walk, just because it might make some fun content for this channel, and black and white is not something that I shoot very often, so novelty is fun. Let's go! When I choose to shoot in all black and white, it is a challenge to my mindset because black and white is no longer how we perceive this world via media. We see everything in color and we expect color in all images, on screen, on paper, in cinema. So it's hard to not question myself, what if this shot looks better in colors? What if I'm missing out by capturing only light and shadow? My experience shooting black and white today answers this question pretty well. By shooting only black and white, you eliminate 99% of noise. And by noise, I don't mean the noise of the image quality, but the elements that are unnecessary, distracting, not fitting in the scene. In another word, you get rid of a large amount of pollution that would fight for viewer attention if given colors. It is not rare that some random object in a scene stand out because it has a color that doesn't fit in the palette. So black and white simplifies it and helps you to concentrate on the structure, the light, the pure essence of existence without camouflage. The result is a more impactful image. A lot of the times, black and white can turn a boring, mundane scene into something more captivating. Maybe precisely because we always see in color, and black and white offers a fresh perspective that we all can subconsciously appreciate more. Also, it doesn't hurt that without color, your imagination is much freer and you can paint the picture in any color you like. Every picture could be in glorious golden hour sunset in your head. Technically speaking, black and white also helps you to solve overblown highlight issue in high dynamic range scenarios. An overexposed highlight is extremely distracting in colored photography. However, in black and white, you simply don't see it. It's just blank space, white nothingness. Thus, your brain fully focuses on the subject, on the image, instead of wandering around to find dynamic range deficiencies. So those are my thoughts on black and white photography after today's walk from Piazzale Roma to San Giove to Strada Nuova to Hospital to Arsenale and then San Marco. I am really exhausted. I love taking pictures, but I hate walking, and this is a conflict that I can never seem to solve as a photographer. Thank you for watching. See you next time.